Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Briasia Renee. Today's video, I'm going to be installing my own tape ins for the first time. You first want to start with freshly washed and blow dried hair, and then you want to straighten it out. My tape ins, and now I'm just going to part around the perimeter of my hair of where I'm leaving it out at. So this is the hair that's going to be covering my tapes. Like when I put it up in a ponytail, make sure you leave a good enough amount out. So as you can see, my hair is not completely like bone straight as I want it to be, but that's okay. I didn't put any product in my hair, and when I don't put product in my hair, it kind of is still kind of poofy, but I'm going to end up putting product in it once I'm all finished. So right now I'm doing the first row of tape ins in my hair, and you want to use small sections, small thin sections, enough hair to where it fits on the tape, as you can see. And then you're just gonna sandwich the other piece of tape on top of that piece of tape like a sandwich. Now I'm not gonna lie, this was kind of difficult. Like the first row for me was kind of like I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm still gonna keep going because this got to get done. So as you can see, the more times I kept doing it, the easier, more comfortable I felt doing it, and then I started to get faster and faster. I did install tape ins on other people plenty of times, but this was my first time doing it on my own, like to myself. So I definitely know what I'm doing. It's just the fact that I can't see the back of my head, which I'm using a mirror, which was helping me out a lot. So for this video, I'm not really going to talk too much because it's really self-explanatory of what I'm doing. But just make sure that you are pinching the tapes really tight. I'm pretty sure there's a tool to bond the tapes together, but I don't have that tool. So I'm using my fingers. Just pinch it really tight after you're done, like sandwiching your hair together. Also, here's a tip. Before you start doing your hair, make sure you wash your hands and your hands are free from any moisture and oils because it will make the tape have less of a bond. Now the front pieces, the tapes, you do want to put them at an angle so when you pull your hair back, the tapes aren't showing. Oh, you guys, I am finished. This is how much I'm leaving out at the top. And now I'm just going to brush it all down. As you can see, like I said, it's still kind of poofy because I didn't put any product in my hair. But once I put product in it and straighten it over again, it's going to be flat. But I just don't have the time to do that right now because I have work in like 30 minutes. Alright, you guys, look at my hair. Let me put the light in over here because y'all gotta see this. Look at this. And it can go in a ponytail without no tapes being shown. Okay. It looks like I went and got it done because I'm a professional. It's like, nah, I'm not a professional, but I will be soon. Put a few layers in it, like in the front. You can't really tell, but it's there. It's 22 inches, 20 at the top, 22 at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see. These tape ends are from BriageTheSlager.store. Make sure you sign up for the newsletter so you can get that discount code. These is so silky. These are my Barbie straight tapes. And I'm gonna show you back. Lift it up. You can't see no tapes, can you? I didn't think so. Does my makeup look cute, you guys? I got some new foundation from MAC and I love it so much. I just realized that I was wearing the wrong foundation color for like a year. The foundation that I was wearing was too dark for me, but now this one is like super bright and vibrant and I love it. And it's perfect. Like I want to show y'all my flowers. Aren't they so cute? Like, look at that. I'm really a spoiled brat, y'all. I don't know. Going on a date tonight. Look at my outfit. This is so cute. This is the top. I'm wearing pink cargo pants with some white Air Forces and I look cute. And y'all already know what I'm about to put my hair up with because it's a little humid outside and I don't want my hair to start poofing up like my real hair. So my Luxe satin bonnet from BriageTheSlager.store. That's how you put it on. I'm putting my hair through. Okay. All 22 inches. Make sure you put all your hair inside. And then these two things here, these two elastic band things, they stretch. So it's one on each side. Cross them over in the back, bring it to the front, adjust if you need to, and then tie it however tight you want to tie it. I don't tie mine really tight because sometimes it'd be too tight. Just tie it in the front, in a bow. 1, 2, done. Super cute. That's the long bonnets, and I do have some short bonnets, like the regular size bonnets, and I also have the baby bonnets for the toddlers. So yeah, make sure y'all go shop with me. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, y'all, so I'm so excited. So make sure y'all are sharing my videos and all of that. All right, I'm chatting. Let me get off this thing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video with a friend.